Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw project updates from Slack threads linked to Jira. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Slack application. Navigate to the channel where your project updates are discussed. Locate the specific thread linked to your Jira project. Click on the thread to expand it for a closer look. Take note of any important messages or updates within the thread. Next, open your Jira application in a separate tab or window. Find the project that corresponds to the updates from Slack. Look for the specific issue or task that relates to the Slack thread. Copy the relevant information from the Slack thread that you wish to withdraw. In Jira, navigate to the comments section of the selected issue. Paste the copied information into the comments box. If necessary, add any additional context or details to enhance clarity. Make sure to format the text properly for readability. Once you are satisfied with the information, click Add or Comment to save your update. Switch back to your Slack channel to confirm that the information has been accurately represented. Consider tagging relevant team members to ensure they are notified of the updates. Repeat this process for any other threads or updates you need to withdraw. Finally, regularly check both Slack and Jira for new updates to maintain alignment between platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.